Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on distance, speed and time. One of the most important topics that is used extensively in real life involves the elements of distance, speed and time. The most popular equation connecting these three terms together is as follows: distance equals speed multiplied by time. Two other important equations are obtained by manipulation of the above equation. They are speed equals distance over time and time equals distance over speed. Let's see how these equations work in real life. Example 1. A car travels at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour for 3 hours. What is the distance travelled? Distance equals speed multiplied by time, which is 60 kilometers per hour times 3 hours, and that gives us 180 kilometers for the distance travelled. Number 2, a train travels at an average speed of 80 kilometers per hour for 75 minutes. What is the distance travelled? We use the equation distance equals speed multiplied by time, which is 80 kilometers per hour times 1.25 hours, because 75 minutes is 1.25 hours, which is 1.25 hours. If you multiply 80 by 1.25, that gives us 100 kilometers, and that's the distance travelled. Number 3. A car travels 140 kilometers in 2 hours. What is the average speed for the journey? So we use speed equals distance over time, which is 140 kilometers over 2 hours, which is 70 kilometers per hour. Number 4. A truck travels 180 kilometers at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. How long did it take to complete the journey? That's the equation we use because we're looking for time. So we have 180 kilometers over 60 kilometers per hour, and that gives us 3 hours to complete the journey. Number 5. An athlete ran 1,200 meters in 3 minutes. What is his speed in kilometers per hour? So we have speed equals distance over time. The distance is 1,200 meters, which is 1.2 kilometers. So you change that to kilometers because we want the answer in kilometers per hour. And 3 minutes is 1/20th of an hour, which is 0.05 hours. So that represents 1/20. Multiply top and bottom by 100 to remove the decimal points. So we have 120 over 5, which is 24 kilometers per hour, and that's the speed. So this video has looked at the important elements of speed, distance and time, and we've used 3 separate equations to work out either the speed or the distance or the time, depending on the problem presented.